Let's fill with collagen, that's your biostims, and let's design, contour, and shape with filler. It seems like the overall theme for 2024 is, if you've seen it, more biostims, less filler. This is how I like to break it down. This is how I like to explain it. Biostimulators such as Sculptra. Okay, Sculptra and Radiesse are the two most well-known, most common biostimulators that are used right now. Sculptra are fantastic for the face to help give you that healthy foundation, right? So think about it as if we're building a house. When you build a house, you need a really healthy, really strong foundation. That's your collagen. Get yourself a good, strong collagen in the face. You fill just the lateral aspect of the face, areas where you've lost a lot of volume. Fill it up with collagen. Now you've built your house, it's a strong, good house. You need some interior design, right? So now let's add the fillers for some interior design. Let's give you a cheek, a chin, some lips. Let's design you with the filler. So the problem was back then, when people are starting to fill with filler, that's when we start looking crazy, overfilled, and fake. Let's fill with collagen, that's your biostims, and let's design, contour, and shape with filler. That's how we say, hey, you're gonna age really, really well. You've got this collagen, you get to keep it for a few years. You look natural and sexy and beautiful.